Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative and very beautiful in itself because in this video I am going to share very beautiful, eye-catchy, stylish and easy to make customized embroidery ideas, customized embroidery patterns, embroidery hoop art, embroidery wall art. All of these designs are very easy to make. They require only 3 to 4 hand embroidery stitches. All of these hand embroidery stitches that are required beginner friendly, user friendly embroidery patterns, and you can make these patterns by simply following these design ideas and color combinations. Friends, before going further into the details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my content for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. You can also make these customized gifts for your loved ones by writing or encrypting or embroidering their names as well. So friends, do remember us, and if you want to get more creative, stylish and funky ideas related to these very beautiful and highly designed new style patterns of hair embroidery, girl embroidery, doll embroidery, real life embroidery, 5D embroidery pattern with very beautiful and exquisite collection and delicate touch of floral patterns, then please don't forget to comment below my video. Do appraise us in the comment section and let us know what you want us to share with you on daily basis, and stay connected and stay motivated. We will sharing these stuff and new ideas related to hand embroidery, best ideas with you on daily basis. And friends, where you can make these very beautiful patterns. You can make these patterns to design your face masks, to design your dresses, shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts, to design your baby girl dresses as a very beautiful design idea on baby girl frock, yoke designing. Even you can hang these design ideas by making a very beautiful customized wall art. And the scope is not only limited to this. You can get very beautiful wide design ideas in many domains. So this was all for today. If you really like my today's ideas, then please follow us regularly, and hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new content. Up till then, take care of yourself, stay blessed and stay motivated, and keep supporting us as you always have been.